Good morning, guys. Yes, my people, if you have a washing machine, this hand you can see is broke. This my machine, since 2003 it broke. The hand you cannot open it. You see, I can't open it. So don't worry, I have a solution for you. If you have machine like this, I just buy, it was a new one. It not even take 1 year, it broke. I don't want to run around because this machine is very good. It's a big one. It can take a lot of clothes. It's very good. When you wash clothes, it's very soft. It's not strong. So even though you don't iron your clothes when you wash it, it will when you sun it, it will straight. So I have a solution for you. You have the rope you use to tie your slinkers, your covers, see. You will just take it. So we are going to open it now. Okay, you do it like this. Just look like this. You see, the machine is open. Okay, so if you want to close it this time, I want to take my clothes out now so I can put another clothes. Then I show you how you people how I close it again. Okay, don't worry, the solution is here. Do it. Don't go and say, hey, it's spoiled. You want to throw, you want to buy another one. No. So now I'm going to be putting another one. Then I close it for you. To start, let me put my soap inside. So here I'm not putting my soap here. No, I don't put it. I put it inside the machine like this. Okay, that is it. So let's put the clothes inside. Then I show you what I do. Okay, I've done with that. So now let's close it. It's the same dish you want to use to close. See, I want to close it. It don't close. So use this one again. You will close it like this. Then use this rope like this. You push it back. See, machine is closed. It's done. Okay, this is the solution. Don't throw the machine and say the hand is broke. You want to throw it and buy a new one. No, you are wasting your money. Like and share if you enjoyed this video. God bless you. So let's start the machine. It work. Okay, so start. You put it what you want to put it. Now I put it in there. Okay, also start. You can see machine is work. See, it work. You see? That is it. That is the solution. This is solution for you if you have problem with your hand of machine. Okay? Use it and open it and use it and close it back again. You see, the machine is working. See you guys. Love you. Beautiful weekend. Bye. Share and like if you enjoyed this video. Okay? The solution is here. Bye bye.